Today I'm going to be walking you around our 2023 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This is a lovely little home from home. As we step inside, we have our kitchen area, very clever use of space. Of course, we've got our sink with our fold-out stove, so as soon as you're done with that, you can just fold it back in and you have a fairly large surface area to do the rest of your cooking. We've got our fridge just below and our foldable table to the left. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this provides us with a nice little dining area. Next up is our 3 belted seats, doubling up as our double bed, making this camper 6 belts and 4 berth. As we step inside, we can see that we have our black leather seats, features such as Apple CarPlay, smartphone integration, and our rear parking camera. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. And if you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.